When we talk about space, we often imagine planets, stars, and galaxies. But few people think about the fact that satellites revolve around the planets, amazing, mysterious, and no less interesting than the planets themselves. Today, we will talk about the most amazing satellites of the solar system and find out why they attract the attention of scientists from all over the world. Let's start with the largest satellite, Ganymede, which orbits around Jupiter. Ganymede is a real giant, even bigger than the planet Mercury. It has a thin atmosphere, and beneath the surface, it may be hiding an ocean containing more water than all of Earth's oceans. Who knows what secrets may be hidden beneath its icy crust? Another interesting satellite of Jupiter is Europa. Europa is covered with a thick layer of ice, but underneath it, too, a whole ocean may be hiding. You can see cracks on Europa's surface, which indicate that the water beneath the ice crust is constantly moving. This makes Europa one of the most promising sites for finding extraterrestrial life in our solar system. Researchers believe that conditions on Titan may be similar to those of early Earth. And perhaps let's now move on to Saturn and its amazing satellite Titan. Titan is the only satellite in the solar system with a dense atmosphere and liquid on its surface. On its surface there are rivers, lakes, and even seas. But not of water, but of liquid methane and ethane. In the future, we'll find out how life could have originated on such planets. Next in line is Enceladus, another satellite of Saturn. Enceladus has powerful geysers spewing icy particles into space. This suggests that beneath its icy crust is a salty ocean. Imagine, if we ever send a spacecraft to it, we might be able to find traces of life in that ocean. And finally, our own satellite, the Moon. It may not be as mysterious as other satellites, but without it, life on Earth would be very different. The Moon stabilizes the rotation of our planet and controls the tides. The Moon is our constant companion, and perhaps one day it will be humanity's first step toward exploring other worlds. Planetary satellites are not just lifeless rocks spinning in space. They are small worlds with their own peculiarities and mysteries. Each moon hides a whole story that we are just beginning to learn. If you want to learn more about the mysteries of space, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. There are many more amazing discoveries to come.